Hello, how are you doing? This is Dan. Today I'm just going to be showing you how Deriv works, how binary things these work. This is going to be very interesting because I'm going to be taking you explaining in a very simple language. So if you over there you want to get started on the binary, how to trade with the bot, I'm just going to be giving you all these things for free. And I have a lot of bots over here that I can just provide for free, but there are some conditions. You have to register using the link that is in the description below or the Deriv. If you end an existing account, maybe you can just open this and then tell the customer service to close the previous one, something like that. But all you just want to know is that you have registered to this link I'm using over here, and then I'm just going to be giving you 40 bots for free, and you're just going to download them for free over here. I'm just going to be showing you where they are because I'm going to upload one of them over here as I'm just show you how the Deriv works. So in the description of this video you'll see somewhere where there is a link, so you click that link and then you just register through the Deriv. You upload your document and everything. Make sure that you just go through all these processes over there. Well, if you're using the phone, the procedure is actually the same. Don't be worried. The procedure is just the same. Don't be worried about that. Everything is just similar over here. All you just have to do is just to understand what we are doing over here. Now there are two types of trading here. You can either trade when you are using the manual, and you can trade when you are using the bot. And yeah, so those are two things over here. And there are two types of the market when you are trading over here on the Deriv. Again, there is how you trade like forex trading when you are using the MT5, and there is how you trade on the Deriv by just guessing the numbers high and lows. That is binary. But remember also you can trade like synthetics indices using the Deriv over there on the MT5. So those are two ways that you can just trade on the Deriv over here. Now with that, let's just do some practicals over here so that you can just see like that. So you see somewhere written like that, and you can even go and click further to this button where it is tells you go to trading, and after opening your account you just be presented with $10,000 account, and you see something just like this. This is volatility index. So remember, you can just trade this on MT5 if you open an MT5 account, and you can link it and you can just trade just normally by doing technical analysis, and you can trade on that. But on this, remember, this is trading manually where you can actually trade like the market will just be rising with 5 ticks, 2 ticks, something like that, and 2 ticks like that. I can stick something like $1 over here, and I predict the market will just rise, and you either lose or gain money right over there. So you can see like that contract is lost. So let's put another one over here so that I can just show you 4 ticks, and then I see the market will rise. And those are the manual, that is trading manual. So you can see the recent position over here. The market is running over here, and the contract is actually won. So you can see 9.53, but this is trading manually. This is how you can trade all these things with the bot, and the bot is just going to be making things. So you can see this entering and existing to the market. Sometimes it's tricky, and that's why so many people actually end up using the bot. Now I have explained those two things over there. Now this is the demo account. After opening, verifying your document, you can see we can even come over here and reset the balance. If maybe you lost everything, you can reset the balance. If the balance is very high, now you can reset the balance, and the minimum will be $10,000. This is the real account over here, and to identify the real account, you see the US national flag written over there, and that's how you know it's a real account. And the demo account will just be written ND, meaning demo account. Now those are the two different things that you can just see over here. Remember, you can trade all these commodities over here: volatility 10, 50, 100, volatility 250, and those are the things that you can actually trade over here, as you can see. Now let's proceed with this. I'm just going to show you now how you can actually deposit and withdraw money on the Deriv. First of all, you have to switch to your live account, and I'm going to be showing some information over here. So first of all, because you have to go to the cashier, you can deposit in different way, but I'm just going to recommend the ways that you can just, because I've been searching a lot of ways on how I can actually deposit money and withdraw money safely over here, but actually there seems that I was looking for many videos of so many people, but let me just explain this so that you can just be, it can just help you so good over here. Now what you're just going to do first of all is to go to the customer service. Go to the customer service before doing anything. Go to the customer service to avoid being your money to be safe. Go to the customer service over here. You can go either to WhatsApp or over here, and then you can just chat them and tell them they activate your this. Let me just show you. They activate, so that how you contact the customer service. Let me just show you what you just want to tell them here. What are you going to tell them? So what are you going to tell them is actually to this is deposit, is to tell them to enable you deposit and withdraw through the agent, deposit via buying agent. So this has to be activated so that you can just withdraw and deposit, and you can see US dollars deposit. So after doing this, you can deposit either by this agent, or you can go to the Play Store and download this one application. Is just known as Binary FXPesa if you're in Kenya. So Binary FXPesa is just application where you can just download from the Play Store. It will just direct you on how you have to link it to your Binary account. You log into your Binary account, it will link automatically, and then you'll be able now to anytime you deposit through Binary, your money will reflect over here to the Deriv. Anytime you withdraw, the money will just be reflected over here. So first, contact the customer service, tell to activate for you to be able to withdraw through the agent, and then after they tell you it is okay, then go and download Binary FXPesa, those application, and then you'll be depositing instantly and withdrawing instantly through the payment agent over there. Okay, so that is the first thing that you just do. Let's go how you do trend with the bot over here. It's just easy. So let's just go and click go to trending, and because I don't have a balance now, I'm just going to demonstrate this on how you can just do different bots. Now it just depends on how you just do your analysis, how your plans. You have to have a good plan. Even if you're having bot, you cannot just enter into the market. Now you can see where we have Deriv Trader. Deriv Trader is here. You just click this, and then you can either trade with Deriv Bot. Finally we end Binary Bot, but now we are having the Deriv Bots here. So you can just go, the Deriv Bot is advanced more than the Binary Bot. Now the moment you just do that, you can either upload your bot on the Google Drive if you have them on the Google Drive, or you can just upload direct from computer if they are in computer. For my bots, they are in the Google Drive, so I'm going to click Google Drive, but for this it's not there, so I'm going to, let me just go to the Binary Bot because it is the easiest one. You can see over here, or even sign it to that one. We just test of them. So I'm going to click here. You can see where it is load new blocks. So I click load new blocks. You can select either from my computer, or you can select the Google Drive over here, and then it will just take you to your store where you've stored your bot. Over here I can click here and then select the bot that I just want, so that you can see I have all this bot, and I'm going to import the bot. Is known an import. So this bot, it is just set to over and over. So I guess after clicking that, it will just import automatically. So there's nothing much we just set about this iBot, because it selects that you are going to be having over 0. So any digit above 0 you win, but you know the winnings are very small. But if you lose over here, it's just going to select either over 2, and if you just do that, it will continue risking high so that you can recover your account. After that, then you can run your bot, and you hear that sound, and you see it start running, and it will start by 1.10. So this is one of the account that you can start with a very small account. Over here you can see it has lost the first round, and what it will just do, it is select another digit, either not over 0, because the first one you can see 0, so it will select something here. So you can see what it will just do over here. So it will select under, either under 6, under 5, and then that will the one that you just recover everything. So you can see it has already recovered that. So let me expand this so that you can see how it just does that to recover your account. So you can see the balance is already 1.2, but it has already lost 2 and 1 2. That was crazy. So they can see it will win so many times actually here, because it is over 0. So any digit that is not 0, you win that. Okay, but all that, so you can see that's how this bot is. And yeah, you can get all this bot for free from me. All you just have to do is to register the Deriv account using my link, and you get them for free. You get this bot for free. So that's how it is. You can see it is still winning over here, and you can just load this bot even using your phone and it will still go. So that's how you just do with the bot, this bot. If you want to stop, you can stop here. And if you maybe you just want to upload another bot, something just like that, you can delete and start afresh over here. You can adjust your bot here if you know how to. You can just adjust over here. There are a lot of things you can adjust over here, because this bot select random numbers to help you do all these contracts and what. So you can if you just want, you can just modify it over there to what you just want. To withdraw, you can just withdraw the binary. FXPesa, the same, you see that option, withdraw and deposit on your account, and how you just do that. So make sure that you don't contact me if you have not registered using this link. But if you just registered using this link, I'm going to share you with my Google Drive. I'm going to share my Google Drive with you, and then you can just download all those binary bot and you can start over there. So let me even run this so that you can see how it just is. So there are a lot of bot. Let me show you, because we can even import another bot from the Google Drive, and you can just import something like let's see whether we see. You can search here bot known as Candlemine version. Okay, and we have loaded that, and you can see I'm going to run it. Let me run it and see what we are going to get here. Candlemine. So let's see what we get. So I think this is differ. So any number that differs from the one that the account has selected, then you're just going to win over here. Okay, I hope I've not selected both, because you have to know. Yeah, so it is differ. So you can see it is still winning. So it will win so many times, because it has to differ. Okay, so that's what we just be having here. So it will continue just like this. So that's how it will just be winning over there. You are Candlemine version. You can set here, you can close and come here and set your take profit, initial capital that you want to put first. Multi-deal is a multiplication. Anytime you lose, it will multiply that times 11, and duration of the ticks are 3 ticks. So those are the three settings that you just have to know. I have selected digit and number to differ. Okay, matches and differs. So I have selected differ. That is what happened over here. It's just very simple, you know, just very simple. And you can see it is still winning and winning and winning. So $10, and we just close the bot. So what you just have to know is that trading on the binary is actually very risky, and unless you are risk taker, then you can just take to the binary, because you can see you can make a lot of money instantly with seconds and still lose a lot of money in a few minutes. So you have to be very doing your calculations. So you can see it has already hit our profit, that is $10. Then we close over here. You can set your TP, SL, stop loss and all that. So that's how the binary Deriv works. You can still upload the same in the Deriv bot over here instead of binary bot. So see you next time. If you love this video, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.